everybody, welcome back to Ginatopia. Let me get my camera situated just a little bit better. Bell in my face, it's hard to do. I'm going to do a video quickly, get ready with me. And here's Miss Bells. Here's the beautiful Miss Bells, yeah. Yeah. I've got about 30 minutes before I need to go be at work. And I thought I'd just do a quick video. Since I haven't been doing a whole lot of videos lately, most of y'all know why. And then recently, Mother got the flu and she lost hearing in both ears. So it has just been one thing after another. And we have had a lot of flooding here in my area. And so I'm having to work and answer the phone on the weekend because of the extreme amount of flooding that we've had. So, man, it's just been terrible in this area. Of course, it could be a lot worse, I'm sure, but it's just been terrible. My allergies got my eyes so red. They look terrible. But let's just get started. I want to do a quick makeup. Nothing big and fancy because, like I said, nobody's going to see me at work. I'm just working by myself. But I did want to do a quick get ready and chit chat with you, and I'm trying to get back on a normal schedule. It's just been, I haven't really been doing a lot of videos, but like I said, most of y'all who hang out on my channel know why. But I'm trying to get back into doing more. I'm just using my Avon primer for my eyes. Y'all know that's my favorite primer. And Bells is back. The Bells is back. Oh, it's glaucoma drops on top of, I have dry eyes, and so my eyes water constantly. On top of them, I have to go back and have plugs put back in them. I'm just going to use my Marc Jacobs Lolita palette. Bells, honey, you're going to have to find a place to sit. I know, Mommy's got your little table. Your drawer pulled out. Yeah, Mama got your drawer. Let me move my brushes so I don't upset the Bells' routine. Let's see, I need a brush to set the primer. So how has things been going with you? I know I haven't been watching a whole lot of other videos, and Erica filled me in yesterday. I got to see my dear sweet Erica, and she filled me in about some of the drama that's been going on, because I had been keeping up with a few of the girls, but I hadn't been keeping up with everybody. So she told me about self-taught beauty and all the garbage that's been going on in her life, and she's so sweet. I hate that for her. She's just a very, very nice lady. And everything that's been going on with Just Ann, I hate that because I love Just Ann too. So, you know, it's terrible. Bullying is so uncalled for. And I hate that so bad for self-taught beauty. We live in a society where the wrong set of rules sometimes get adapted or accepted, and you know, I don't know, I just don't. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my whole eyelid. I love this color so much. But I did an anti-bullying video on my other channel a couple years ago. Bella, get down. Get down. And I got bullied by a relative. So, I understand the garbage that goes on YouTube. But if I had a child like Self-Taught Beauty, I probably would have done the same thing she did And unfortunately, she had to go to jail for 10 days for taking up for her child. And that is just heartbreaking. Absolutely heartbreaking. Breaks my heart for her. She is so sweet. And just, I don't know. I just don't understand stuff sometimes. Don't understand. It seems like you try to do right sometimes and you still get punished, and just don't get it. Just don't get it. I know if I had a child, I would be very protective over it. I'm very protective over my nieces and nephews, so I can't imagine having a child, how protective I would be. I think she's a good mother. Her home burnt down and she lost everything, and you know, you do the best you can. Just breaks my heart. And Erica said that just Ann got demonetized over a lie. And I tell you, it just amazes me. So, and I'm using the no problem primer. I got this in one of my boxes, my BoxyCharm this month, and it's a pretty good primer. I like it. I like the way it smells. Oh, goodness. I just, I'm scatterbrained this morning. I worked 12 and a half hours yesterday and got to go and work 12 and a half hours today, and I'm not sure I got my sleep all caught up. So I'm going to wipe this off my hand. Oh, I touched my Tom Ford bag with my nasty hand. Oh no, not good. Tom Ford has those little white bags, and I had it in that drawer and I touched it. And I love my new It Cosmetics brush. Erica told me I would, and she was so right. She wanted to buy me one, and I wouldn't let her because they're $48, but I am so glad I got this in a box, because this is like my new favorite item, and it really shears your makeup out. I always like the full coverage makeup, but let me tell you, this gives you a beautiful airbrush look. And I love the way it makes your foundation go on and look. It looks flawless and not cakey or anything. I'm really liking the way that does. Like I said, I'm just doing a very simple face today. This is my Revlon 24 Hour Color Stay Foundation in the shade 150. Sorry if I didn't say. And that's my favorite foundation, and I think it makes it look even better. I love it. Love, love, love it. Okay. And I'm going in with the Benefit Roller Lash. And this is a very nice mascara, but it's not one of my favorites. But if I didn't wear glasses, this would be like right up there. But this mascara makes my lashes so long that they rub my glasses and keeps my glasses dirty. So I can't really use it very often. I know, what a problem to have, huh? And then I'm going to use my Milani Teddy Bear lipstick, which is my favorite shade of the moment. Erica got me this, and I liked it so much I bought one to keep in my purse. And it's just such a great neutral shade for me that I had to have it. And I'm going in with my Tarte 12-Hour blush in the shade Celebrated. I think this shade has been discontinued, but I'm trying to get some more use out of this before I do a declutter in a few months, and I love it. So I've got so many blushes, and I don't know whether to do a declutter or not. I love my blushes. They're like my babies. They're like eyeshadow palettes. I love them. I love them. You want some blush? Does Bella want some blush? Bella has her own brush that she loves very, very much. This is Bella's brush. And she loves it very, very much. She loves it very, very much. Alright, Bells, Mama has got to head out because I need to stop at the store and get me some drinks before I go in. So I've got time to do this. I know this video was like really nowhere, but I just wanted to take a couple of minutes just to share some time with you all and do a little tiny chit chat and just let you all know that I hadn't totally disappeared. That on top of everything else, you know, my mother has had some medical issues. So has Erica. So keep both of them in your prayers, and my sister Michelle. I just worry myself to death about my little family. I love them so much. Here's a perfume I'm trying to use up this month. It's Sophia by Sophia Vergara. Just trying to use up some of my products. I tried to use up all my sample perfumes last year and it didn't happen. But I'm really trying to use up some of my older stuff right now. Because I'm hating for some things to waste. I had a It Cosmetics, no, Too Faced eyebrow product. It just totally dry up on me. And that was a nice product and I hated that. So I'm trying to go through my stuff and start using up some of my stuff instead of saving it. You know. So, just trying to use it up and put a hand cream on. But anyway, if y'all like my video, give me a thumbs up and a share. I know this wasn't much, but I just wanted to get on here and tell you all I love you. I miss talking with you all. And remember, share the love, not the hate. You all are always in my heart, whether I'm on here or not. You can find me on Facebook, Gina Stanley, and share the love, not the hate. I love you, as I said before, and yeah, I will catch you this week in a couple videos. I've got a BoxyCharm video to do. I've got several videos to do, and I will plan on getting those done. I've just been working 12-hour shifts, and it's very hard to get those done. And I'll be back.